The problem statement in question 3 says, in a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? That's one question. And the other question is, can we say that we can add integers in any order? So this is a straightforward question based on the addition of integers. Team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0 in the 3 rounds. So let's write this information. Team A scored in the 3 rounds it scored minus 40, 10 and 0. So what will be the total score of team A? Well, we just add these 3 integers. So team A total score will be minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. So to calculate this sum, let's first sum minus 40 and 10. So this will give us minus 30 plus 0. This is not 10, this is 0. So minus 30 plus 0, which will be equal to minus 30. So team A total score is equal to minus 30. Similarly, team B scored 10, 0 and minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. So let's write this information also. Team B scored the scores 10, 0 and minus 40. So the total score of team B will be the sum of these 3 integers. So it will be 10 plus 0 plus minus 40. So let's sum 10 and 0 first. Let's calculate 10 plus 0, which is simply equal to 10. So we get 10 plus minus 40, which is 10 minus 40 or minus 30 once again. So the total score of team B is also equal to minus 30. Now let's come to the second part of the question, which says, can we say that we can add integers in any order? So what does this question mean? Well, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0 and team B scored 10, 0 and minus 40. So both teams had the same set of scores but in different order. That's why when we added them, we obtained the same total score of minus 30. And that is because addition of integers is associative. You can add integers in any order. So the answer to this question is yes, we can add integers in any order. And this is because the addition of integers is associative. So we can add integers in any order. So this is the answer for question number 3. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.